In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the passwords on the Windows 11. So, of course, once you are creating your account on Windows 11, or once you just download it, they'll actually give you the option of creating your account, then getting a password into your account. Some of you thinks that it's necessary or mandatory to enter a password, then click at next. But of course, if you don't want to have a password into your PC, you could just leave the password option empty and click at next, and then you will not have the password into your PC. But of course, if you enter a password and you are annoyed by every time you would like to open your PC, you would like to enter a password and you'd like to remove that, simply first of all, you'd like to go and open the settings. So for me, I'm just going to click at the Windows key on my keyboard and type here settings and click at the enter button, and that should open this for me. Here, I would like to click at this account option, and now I would like to click at this sign in options. Of course, you'll have another option to get into that. You can just click here and click at this power option and click at this sign in option. As you can see, this opened the same page for you. So of course, here you have the facial recognition if you want, the fingerprint recognition, the PIN, the security key, the password, and the picture password if you want. So if you have a password, so for me, I don't have a password. As you can see, if I click on it, I'll just have to add one. So let me just add one. Let's say as an example, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Password hint is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't care. You can put whatever you want here or numbers. And click at next. Finish. And as you can see, this is going to be our password. So for you, if you have already a password, just click on this password and click on change. And you'd like to type first of all your password, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click at next, and then you would like to leave this field blank, and simply click at next, click at finish, and as you can see, you will have no password anymore. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.